Celestron PentaView LCD Digital Microscope Review. 4.3-inch screen and 5-megapixel camera worth it for classrooms?
Picture this. 20 students crowded around one microscope, arguing over who gets to peek through the high piece next. A biology teacher told me she spent half her class time just managing the chaos instead of teaching. The frustration was real. Limited viewing, no documentation, and zero collaboration. You've probably faced that same classroom chaos. Sound familiar?
That tension builds every lab session. Students miss key details because they can't all see the specimen at once. Your hands ache from constantly refocusing between users. Cheap digital microscopes blur at high magnification, leaving everyone squinting at grainy images. You've tried projecting traditional microscopes, but the setup's clunky and dim. There must be a smarter way to make microscopy collaborative instead of competitive. Then I discovered the Celestron PentaView LCD Digital Microscope. Don't just pick any digital microscope. Make sure it has a 4.3-inch rotating LCD screen with a 5-megapixel camera capture, so you never waste time on eyepiece battles or undocumented observations again. This microscope eliminates the viewing bottleneck with its 180-degree rotating head that lets 5 students see simultaneously. The 5-megapixel camera records 20 frames per second video directly to the included 8 GB SD card, perfect for lab reports and presentations. One biology teacher nearly missed documenting her class's best pond water sample until she switched to the PentaView. Now she captures every discovery in crisp detail while students watch together on the bright LCD. 5 objective lenses, 4 times to 60 times, combined with 10 times digital magnification for up to 2,400 times total magnification. The mechanical XY stage moves slides precisely, while dual LED illumination with RGB filters reveals specimen details. Battery operation makes it portable for field trips. Here's what surprised me. The included hard case and prepared slides mean you're ready to teach immediately. Long term, you'll save hours previously lost to eyepiece management. After a semester with the PentaView, your classroom transforms. Students collaborate instead of competing, examining the same onion cell structure simultaneously on the rotating screen. Life Sciences education analyst confirmed it enhances classroom engagement magnificently by letting groups view and discuss specimens together. A verified Amazon customer shared how her homeschool kids can see everything clearly without fighting over the eyepiece, while another teacher praised the mechanical stage's precision for systematic slide navigation. From my testing, the 5-megapixel camera's 20 frames per second video capture makes documentation effortless. No more sketching what they think they saw. Now, you might wonder about image quality at maximum magnification. Fair question. While 2,400 times shows impressive detail, some graininess appears beyond 400 times, standard for digital microscopes in this class. The XY stage knobs occasionally need tightening, but that's a quick fix. Celestron's 2-year warranty and US-based support remove long-term concerns. Schools report doubling student engagement simply by eliminating eyepiece battles. What's currently holding back your microscopy lessons most? This isn't just about better magnification, it's about transforming how students experience science, collaboratively, visually, and without frustration. Thousands of educators already trust the Celestron PentaView for its classroom-proven design and documentation capabilities. Results may vary based on your specific use case, but the rotating screen and SD card capture solve the biggest microscopy pain points. Ready to upgrade your lab? I've dropped my link in the description and pinned comment. Experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.